Hey guys, Mike is back with another video. Today we have this amplifier on the channel. We're testing this amplifier. Vangoa, I don't know, tell me how to spell right. So, giant speakers already, I connected. And I'm gonna go through with it. I played a little bit. I play the subwoofers and the top speakers. Then I'm gonna tell you this is worth the money or not. I did a couple amplifiers similar like this, the budget amplifiers. They way cheaper than Dina like this. Yeah, we're gonna play some music and I'm gonna tell you all about it. I did a tons of small amplifiers like this. I have a million different amplifiers like this. The budget amplifiers expensive, the cheap version is expensive, all that stuff. I'm doing the comparison videos on my channel, right? If you didn't subscribe to my channel, definitely guys subscribe it. It's gonna be a lot of content, it's upcoming, right? So about the speakers, those are the monster 15-inch speakers, open baffle on the top. It's gonna give you a lot of nice punchy bass, and tweeters and subwoofers. This is actually 15-inch subwoofers, like it's gonna give you tons of bass. So now these speakers are very sensitive, so they're gonna get a lot louder than any bookshelf speakers at the same 50 or 100 watts, right? So now back to the amplifier. On the front you have a nice display, and also on the display you can switch between the inputs, SD card, the microphone, all that stuff. So couple things, when you connect that amplifier, these equalizer buttons, if you press it, I thought it's going to be to control these, either flat or it's going to be pretty much these are the equalizers, right? But no, it's not going to be controlling these. This is for preamp. If you have a preamp, controls the equalizer, the audios, everything, it comes straight through there. Its button is pressed, your volume control is not gonna work. You see, 100%, it's barely playing the music, right? So as soon as you release it, it's gonna start yelling it. So built-in amplifier is powerful, a lot more powerful than these amplifiers, like smaller amplifiers. It's made for the tower speakers. And the quality wise, when you don't press this, the loudness, I don't like how the quality. As soon as you press this, it's going to be opens up. Another problem with this amplifier, problem was designers why they did that way. S bass, this is a super bass, right? Watch this. Usually the super bass, S bass, or whatever they call it, bass, it has to add just a bass, right? Like this bass button right here. So it has to be added. But as soon as you click this, it's going to be cutting everything and just leaving the bass a little bit, just, I don't know. Listen to this. Now look at this. This is the volume button. So amplifier is powerful, right? The built-in amplifier is powerful. Let's try these. As you can see, at the 50% volume is rock and rolls these speakers, right? So the microphone inputs we're gonna test on the next the future videos. Karaoke, when you click, it's gonna be turned on, turned off. That's the built-in fan. It's working because I'm running the big speakers, that's why. AB input. Now we're gonna do the AB. We're gonna add the subs there. Subs are too much power, so it's everything in my house is gonna be start, you know, cracking. Yeah. Everything is shaking, as you can see. Everything's cracking. Everything's making too much noise, so just a subwoofer, we're not gonna do it. If you guys are interested to Neo Hippo, this is UV meter plus a 2-in 2-out. I did a different separate video. You can control this as a speaker selector, right? You're gonna connect 2 amplifiers, 2 speakers, and you can switch between the amplifiers, all right, and between the speakers. So it's very nice device. You can actually see all these the sounds is playing like that. Without this, it's gonna be just like this, boring. But and it's 34 different colors, all that stuff. It is one of the best purchases I made. It makes a lot nicer to listen to music, right, when these things runs. That's the noise from the internal fan. As soon as I give a lot of the power for the bigger speakers, it's gonna fan kicks in and it lowers down, and it's idling sound in it with the built-in fan. It's even the idle, you can hear it, but when you turn off, it goes absolutely turn off, right? We're gonna turn on back. It has to be go to aux. That's not good. It has to be stay on the Bluetooth, right? Because I was running the last Bluetooth, so always it goes back to the auxiliary input. For some reason, the volume knob, as you can see, from infinity 100 and it goes to 0 dB. The volume works properly, right? Oh god, yeah. So absolutely, of course, any microphone is gonna get the cut, and it's get distortion after like 70-75% of the volume, right? But it's get loud. It's already like only I'm writing 50%, because over than that, YouTube is gonna compress a lot, and you're not gonna hear the difference, right? Anyway, use your headphones, please. If you guys didn't subscribe to my channel, definitely subscribe it. I'm gonna run a lot of different experiments with these kind of amplifiers, this HomeAudio speakers, all that stuff, right? This is a remote control comes with it, just you know, the simple buttons, equalizer, all that stuff. You can do the next song, previous song when you're running this interface, Bluetooth interface, and when you turn off from the remote control, that's what the reviewers was saying. Amplifier is running, is turn off just the interface side, right? But you have to physically turn off to entire turn down this amplifier, right? So yeah, this is a couple of plus and minuses for you guys, and I'm out also in the next video. Hope this video helps you to choose the right product.